Get ready to bake Nyam Nyam's garden cactus cake. All you need is some Italian buttercream and food colouring in separate bowls, of course, light green, dark green, salmon and chocolate. Stick those into some food piping bags. For some of them, we can mix them up a bit even to create a lovely two-tone effect. Right, now we're going to put a little bit on our surface and stick our baking paper down, starting with our first cacti. We're using salmon and light green colour mixed up, creating a leaf-like effect on our baby cacti. Look at that. Stunning. Right, for our next one, we're going to use the serrated edge nozzle and dark green. So we're going to use a little bit of white buttercream to put flowers on the outside, and the salmon colour goes on top. This time we're using a flat nozzle because we want to create a petal type effect. So we just go round like so, one strip at a time, and it starts to look like a beautiful flower. Wonderful. Now for our light green, swirl that around. And with a serrated edge nozzle, we're just going to pipe up from the bottom to the top and cover the outside. This is a slightly flatter nozzle to create our cactus kind of texture. Little flower on top there. Now for our chocolate cake, we're going to slice the top off. We've pre-made this and we're going to cut it in half. Time for the chocolate buttercream to go in the middle. Nice generous layer of that. And layer it like so. And cover the outside in chocolate buttercream icing too. Smoothing it over, adding a little bit of dark chocolate buttercream. This is going to be flattened out to create a kind of marble effect. Like so. Tidying it up, ready to put our buttercream cacti on top. Carefully placing them because they're very delicate. This beautiful soft buttercream icing. And a little bit of baby cacti go on there and around the edge. Lovely bright green against the chocolate colour. And there you have it, a beautiful, colourful chocolate cactus cake. Delicious.